Hi, you need to set up your brand new iPhone 16, then as a first step turn it on and you will see this greeting and many different languages. You just need to swipe up and select your language. So let me just find English from the list, tap it here. Now you would need to select your country or region, and after that tap on your country and it will be setting your language. So let's just wait a couple of seconds. It will often be that we would need to wait a couple of seconds till everything will be loading. And now we need to select the appearance. So this is default, this is medium, and that is large one. I prefer default, so let's just tap the continue button. And here you can see the quick start and that it is looking for nearby devices to just transfer your data. Also, you can select this option to set up without another device, and in that case you need to set up your phone manually like I will do now. So here you can customize your keyboards or you can do it later in the settings. And now we need to connect to the Wi-Fi, so let me just do it quickly, enter my password and get back to you. After we connected to the Wi-Fi, we will need to just learn everything about the data and privacy and simply agree with privacy policy by tapping the continue button. And now we can select set up for myself this device or set up for a child in my family. I'm gonna choose myself, and now we can also set up Face ID, but you can easily do it later in the settings, so let's skip this step. Here we will need to create an iPhone passcode. You can also just tap here on the passcode options and select 4-digit numeric code, for example. And in my case it is easier, so I'm just gonna use it anyway. Then re-enter your passcode and we are ready to proceed to the next step. So here you can select how you want to transfer your data. From iCloud backup, from another phone, from Android, so on, or select this option to don't transfer anything. I'm gonna choose it, and now we will need to just enter our Apple account information, so email or phone number, and after that the password. So I'm gonna do it behind the scenes and get back to you once more. So after we have entered our Apple account data, we will need to proceed with two-factor authentication. So you just need to enter the password which just came to your phone number or to another device. So I'm just gonna enter my passcode from the phone number and now it is verifying. So we just need to agree at this point with terms and conditions. Just tap the button agree. And now it is signing in, so we are simply waiting for a couple of minutes till it will be loading. And now we can also add our credit, debit or any other card to the Apple Pay, or we can set it up later in these settings. So as usual, I'm gonna set it later. Here you can check the iPhone analytics and to choose whether you want to share with Apple your data or do not share. I'm gonna select option to do not share. And now you can check some on-screen instructions how to use this silent mode. Let's tap the continue button. And you can see some information about the action button which we can set up according to our preferences. So you can customize it right now or select this option not now and then do it later in the settings. And now, because of this iPhone 16, we have the camera control button, which is located right here on the right side of your phone. And here you can check some on-screen instructions how to use this camera control button. So now you can check something about emergency SOS. Let's tap the continue button and we are almost finished. Yeah, we just need to swipe up to get started. So let's do it. And here is your brand new setup iPhone 16. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.